Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, we are going to see how to solve Instagram notification not working after the updating of iOS on iPhone and iPad. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Before moving to the solutions, we have to check these options. Number 1. Tap and hold App Store. Tap on Updates and check the list if there is any update for Instagram. If there is, tap on Update. Secondly, make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off. Number 3. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings, iPhone passcode, and tap again Reset Network Settings to confirm. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we start the solutions. Solution number 1. Allow notification on your iPhone or iPad. For that, go to Settings, tap Notification, find and tap on Instagram. Now, enable Allow notifications and also make sure that Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banner check are enabled. Now we go for solution number 2. Go to Instagram app, tap on your profile icon and tap 3 lines and tap Settings and tap Notifications and make sure that Pause All option is turned off. Solution number 3. Delete and reinstall Instagram. For that, tap and hold Instagram app, tap Remove app. After that, go back to App Store and re-download. After re-download, open Instagram and a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on Allow. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.